How to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you're gonna simply open up Instagram, make sure you log into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now from here you want to head into the option that says notifications. Under notifications you can see quiet mode. You can simply toggle this switch option on beside the quiet mode option and your quiet mode will be enabled, and you can disable it back from here as well. However, down below you can see how you can turn it on automatically. You can set a particular time for it to turn on when you want it to turn on. So you can see mine is set from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. It'll be turned off at night basically, so you can turn it, enable it or disable it from here. So this way you can turn on or turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.